You wake up, drive through traffic, get to work. Your boss fills you with orders, and you go home exhausted. All this to barely have $1,000 in your bank account. If your situation is like this, don't panic, and don't swipe the credit card hoping next month magically fixes everything. But stay until the end of the video to know how you can turn that small balance into the seed of real wealth with a handful of quick moves you can finish before bedtime. Especially the fourth move is the best even if you have less than $100. Start by peeling off one crisp 100 and shifting it to a separate high-yield savings account. That tiny buffer keeps a flat tire or a surprise copay from forcing you to borrow at 20% interest. Promise yourself you'll only touch it for true emergencies, not late-night delivery or new earbuds. With 90% of your cash still on deck, open a no-fee brokerage account and schedule an automatic transfer of $10 every Friday. 10 sounds tiny, yet the habit matters more than the amount. A broad market index fund will take that transfer, buy a sliver of thousands of companies, and quietly compound. If the market dips, you buy more shares for the same cash. If it climbs, you ride the wave, all while you live your normal week. Next, scan last month's statement for a leak you barely feel. Maybe a game subscription or an extra streaming bundle. Cancel one and raise the weekly transfer by that exact amount. I dropped an unused $12 music service and bumped my auto deposit to $22 without noticing the difference. In 4 months, that single tweak added nearly $100 to my account. Money that would have vanished on background noise. While the transfer ticks along, tackle any high-interest debt with laser focus. Sort balances by rate, pay minimums on the bottom, and throw every spare bill at the top card. Even $15 extra a week, saved by bringing coffee from home, shaves months off a small balance. When a card hits zero, reroute its old payment to the brokerage. Your lifestyle stays the same, but your wealth curve tilts up. Now build a micro side hustle aimed only at feeding the investment habit. Snap photos for real estate listings, walk a neighbour's dog, sell 2 unused gadgets online. Even a single $40 gig each month can double your transfer. A friend edits podcast transcripts on Saturdays. The $200 he earns goes straight to his index fund, never touching spending money. While cash trickles in, keep your daily life deliberately boring. Drive the reliable car, wear the comfortable shoes, skip the urge to post purchases for likes. Stealth wealth grows best when nobody notices. As your brokerage balance crawls toward 500, flick on dividend reinvestment, so every payout buys extra shares automatically. That 70-cent dividend feels tiny, but hires another $1 to work for you. When the emergency buffer reaches 1 month of bare bones expenses, maybe $600 or $700, keep adding. But let most new money flow into assets. The buffer protects you from selling low. The assets chase growth. Parallel to all this, spend an hour a week learning a skill that might raise your main pay within 2 months. Excel shortcuts, basic coding, social media scheduling. Use free videos or library books. Apply one trick at work, point it out at review time, and bank the raise. A 5% bump on a $35K salary equals $1,750 a year. Send that to your index fund, and you just tripled the weekly transfer without missing a single burger. Whenever unexpected cash lands, a tax refund, birthday envelope, weekend overtime, treat it like gasoline on the wealth fire. Half can pad the buffer if it still feels thin. The rest goes straight to investments or to killing debt. Resist turning windfalls into weekend splurges. Quietly stack them, and your balance will surprise you next New Year's. Keep your circle small and supportive. Talk money goals with people who respect saving more than showing off. The fewer status games in your feed, the easier it is to leave dollars working instead of spending them for attention. After a year of these micro steps, your account might only read 3,000 or 4,000, but the shape of your life has flipped. An emergency won't bury you. Debt interest no longer steals forward progress, and a little slice of the global economy works overtime on your behalf. Most coworkers will still trade hours for gadgets. You'll be trading gadgets for hours of future freedom. Stay boring and disciplined. Raise the transfer with every raise. Keep the buffer healthy. Reinvest everything. $10 turns into 20, 20 into 50, 50 into the kind of monthly contribution that makes compound interest whistle. Your starting balance didn't need to be big, only employed. Set the first transfer tonight before doubt creeps in, and tomorrow you'll wake up with a plan, already making money while you brush your teeth. And if you want to know the biggest secret to building wealth from zero, it is to subscribe to this channel for more similar videos. Share your action plan in the comments so you can inspire others to do their best, and like this video. See you soon.